Welcome back, YouTube. I'm MN250. This is my motor vlog if you don't know. And today we're going to be talking about a couple different ways to get into the motorcycling community, ways to get on two wheels, ways to make some new friends. So let's go along for the ride today. Let's grab our motor vlogging helmet and let's discuss some things.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Which bike are we gonna choose today? That one.
One challenge I had as a new rider was really trying to find people that have similar interests as mine and want to go riding or want to go and hang out, want to talk bikes. Because honestly, my wife and my friends that don't ride, they're pretty sick of me talking about motorcycles at this point. Because that's all I can think about, that's all I can talk about. And it's good to have a good group of people that share your passion. Alright, so here we go. The first and probably my favorite way to get into the community is just by generally meeting people in real life. Now that's not always practical for everybody that has jobs and doesn't have the time or flexibility to go out and meet people. But one great resource are the motorcycle dealerships. I can't talk today. The motorcycle dealerships that put on events in your area. I have yet to find a motorcycle dealership that doesn't put on at least one event a year where riders can get together, win prizes, eat food, whatever. Just like Simply Street Bike's Poker Ride and many of their monthly rides that they do. These events are great ways to get into the community. What it does is it brings you and it forces you to meet up with people that have the same opinion as you, maybe differing opinions, different appreciations of different bikes. Go to a motorcycle dealership and ask about their event schedule. Go to their online website, find their event schedule, and just show up, regardless of if you have any buddies with you or not. The one thing that's really great about the motorcycling community is that they're all so open to chatting and sharing experiences and everything like that. Solution number 2 for your motorcycle loneliness needs is just Facebook. Facebook's a great tool for the motorcycling community and pretty much any hobby anybody has ever had. What Facebook allows you to do is create groups, whether that be a sport bike group, a cruiser group, ADV group, dirt bike group, any of those sort of groups. Allows them to come together and talk to each other real easily, real simply, without any cost. There are a lot of great motorcycle groups out there. What I challenge you to do if you're looking for some more people in the community is just go up to that search bar and just type in sport bike groups and maybe sport bike in Minnesota groups, and you'll find a couple different ones. Personally on my Facebook, I'm a member of 3 or 4 different groups, which all have different levels of involvement. There's one group that I have a tendency to ride with a lot more. They're a group of sport bike riders. They're all very prone to meeting up. They don't kind of flake out at the last minute. And the other groups are more for, sharing experiences and sharing advice, as well as rides occasionally. It's a pretty cool place. When you're looking for a Facebook group, you're looking for an active group. A group that posts regularly on the daily, has a good moderator that keeps things all level-headed and good. So get out there, guys, find your group and start getting involved. And this brings us to our last and final after this red light. Alright, now that we got the green light from the green light, solution number 3 to your motorcycle loneliness needs. Solution number 3 and number 2, which number 2 is Facebook, share many of the same kind of factors, same sort of deals, but they are different. One group, and I will, not group, but one method that I've used to meet people is the Moto Amino app. Basically what the Mino app is it's just a group of chat rooms where people with like minds can get together and chat about things. And a cool feature of the Moto Mino app is it does separate it by geographic area, at least in terms of the motorcycling community. So what we've done is we have a Minnesota app with a Minnesota monitor, and they monitor all the chats and stuff and whatever. But it allows people to share pictures, videos, experiences, as well as set up meets and kind of coordinate each other to even get involved in the other events from Facebook and in real life, where I can actually use a combination of all three of those to find something to do. I have my personal contacts that I got throughout the last couple years here from different Simply Street Bike events. Then I use the Facebook app to see if there's any sort of big group rides going on, sponsored by any of the groups that I follow. And then I check on Moto Mino to invite people along that might want to join, making the community bigger, more linked together, more of a network. But here's a demonstration of the Moto Mino app below. So basically what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the App Store on your phone, Apple Place, or the Apple Store, or the Play Store on your Google phone, or whatever other device you have. And you're going to want to search for the Moto Mino app. Now once you're in the Moto Mino app, you're going to want to go through and register, get a username, set something up, set your profile up, set a description of what you ride, what you're doing, what you're there for. And then you start searching for different chat rooms. I'm involved in a couple different ones. I've got the Minnesota chat. I've also got the motovloggers chat. I don't participate in that one a whole ton, but there are some cool motovlogs that get posted up there every once in a while, some cool topics. I've gained some subscribers off of that just by throwing my videos up in there from time to time. But yeah, you set that up, and then you'll be chatting before long, meeting new people. And just a little disclaimer for my protection and yours. Obviously, I hold no responsibility for you meeting up with people online and the stupid stuff that can sometimes happen when a bunch of people get together on motorcycles. Obviously, always practice safety, whether on the bike or just in generally with meeting people. Don't get yourself in some sort of weird situation where your bike's gonna get stolen. Always kind of feel out the situations. Don't just jump right into something, especially off online, whether that be Moto Mino or Facebook. Give yourself a chance to really get to know people and hopefully meet up in a big group or something so you're nice and safe. Last thing I want is to get some sort of message saying Johnny Jimbo died because he went to a motorcycle meet and everyone stole his motorcycle or something. I don't know. So let's not do that. So as always, I like to present a question towards the end of my videos, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. What's your favorite way to meet up with people in the motorcycling community? If you already have experience doing so. Let me know if you have any questions also in the comment section. I love to respond. I love to interact with you guys. You're the reason I do it, short of just my personal enjoyment. That about does it for me today, guys, on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you. Keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you next time.
Down.